You think your job is exhausting? Cavemen worked 3 hours a day. 1, 2, 3. 3! And then took a nap. Let me explain how our ancestors accidentally had a better work-life balance than you. For 290,000 years, that's basically all of human history, there were no jobs, no bosses, no Mondays, just vibes. And you'd think that means everyone was starving and miserable, right? Survival of the fittest, dying at 25, all that? Nope. Anthropologists studied modern hunter-gatherer tribes, people living basically the same way our ancestors did, and found they only spent 15 to 20 hours a week getting food. That's a part-time job. Cavemen had a part-time job, and you have 3. Don't believe me? Their skeletons snitched on them. When scientists compared hunter-gatherer skeletons to early farmer skeletons, the farmers had worse arthritis, worse teeth, and were shorter. Farming was brutal. Constant, repetitive labor, bad diets, way more disease. Meanwhile, hunter-gatherers? Taller, healthier, stronger bones. Plot twist. Turns out chasing your dinner occasionally is better for you than bending over a wheat field 12 hours a day. Okay, so if they weren't working, what were they doing for the other 150 hours a week? Talking. Like, a lot of talking. Some researchers think they spent up to 6 hours a day just sitting around the fire, telling stories, gossiping, laughing, and arguing about who ate the last berry. They made art. Cave paintings that took days. Jewelry made from shells carried over 20 miles. Bone flutes. They had time to just make cool stuff. And here's the part that'll ruin your sleep schedule forever. They'd wake up for a while, in the middle of the night. Normal for thousands of years. So if life was this chill, why did we ever stop? About 12,000 years ago, humans invented farming. And yeah, farming gave us more food, bigger populations, and permanent homes. But also, way more work, way worse diets, way more disease from living close to animals and each other. Some scientists literally call agriculture one of the worst mistakes in human history. We traded 15-hour work weeks for this. So yeah, next time your boss says, hustle culture built civilization, tell them civilization was doing just fine before we invented jobs. Follow for more history that'll make you question everything. See you next time.